Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to clean the reusable air filter. This filter is also referred to as a deodorizer on some models. Tools to prepare. You will need a screwdriver to access the filter and a hair dryer to remove the adsorbed odors. How to access the air filter. Open the refrigerator door and pull out the upper drawer. Locate the screw on the filter and unscrew it. Press on the hooks on the side of the air filter to release it, and then remove it from the refrigerator. If residue falls off, it will not harm you and can be wiped off easily with a towel or cloth. How to clean the air filter. Do not wash the filter with water. Just leave it in the sun or use a hair dryer to dry out any moisture. After the filter is dry, put it back into place. Screw the screw back in and refit the drawer. And that is how to clean the reusable air filter on your side-by-side refrigerator. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.